வெல்கம் டு அரிஸ் கல்வி. வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோசியல் சயின்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின். First one, list out of the feathers of megatheric burial types. Second one, state the salient feathers of ziggurats. Third one, how important are coins as a source of evidence for the study of Sangam age. Fourth one, elaborate the term Triratnas. Fifth one, what does the edit of Kalinga convey? Sixth one, write about Saint Sophia Cathedral. Seventh one, the Great Wall China. Eighth one, who founded the Vijayanagar kingdom? Mention the dynasty that ruled over the kingdom. Ninth one, what is sericulture? 10th one, what is Columbian exchange? 11th one, point out the signification of the Boston Tea Party. 12th one, what were the taxes the peasants had to pay in France on the eve of revolution? 13th, write a brief note on the various spheres of the earth. 14th, write about the Pacific Ring of Fire. 15th, distinguish core and crust. 16th, mention the 3 courses of a river with any 2 landforms associated to each course. 17th, what are oxbow lakes? 18th, list out any 4 karst topographical areas found in India. 19th, mention the factors that affect the climate. 20, what is hydrological cycle? 21, what does the term biodiversity mean? 22, what is mean by loss of biodiversity? 23, what do you mean by the term density of population? 24, what is Black Death? 25, what are the components of a map? 26, define remote sensing. 27, give Abraham Lincoln's definition for democracy. 28, explain the electoral system in India. 29, what are the fundamental rights? 30, define POCSO. 31, what are the merits of a federal government? 32, name the tax levied by the village panchayat. 33, name the urban local government. 34, what are the indicators of development? 35, what is solar power? 36, what is labor force of the economy? 37, what are the 3 sectors of an economy? 38, what were the items used as barter during olden days? 39, what is natural money? 40, what is mean by foreign exchange? இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. இது எக்ஸாமுக்கு கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.